Welcome to the MyCollab Soft Phone User Guide, provided by the Information Technology Services and Telecommunications and Network Services Departments at the California Polytechnic University of Humboldt. What is a soft phone? Your digital extension will be converted to a soft phone extension. This allows you to use a voice-over IP phone and/or MyCollab software to make and receive calls both on and off campus. A soft phone is a software-based phone system that allows users to make and receive phone calls over the internet. Soft phones can be installed on a variety of devices, including computers, tablets, and smartphones, and they use Voice over Internet Protocol, VoIP, technology to manage calls. Soft phone details email. You will receive an email from Telecommunication and Network Services with information about your soft phone details. It will look something like this. This email provides you with your 4-digit extension, a 5-digit PIN number, and will give you links to access your phone manual. You should keep this information in a safe place. Soft phone extensions in MyCollab. For hybrid or fully remote workers, we have the option of using software provided by Mitel called MyCollab. Your soft phone extension will work off campus with this software. Installing the software is a one-time thing. Soft phone extensions and MyCollab. MyCollab software is an application that allows users to make and receive phone calls using a computer or mobile device instead of a desk phone. It can also be used to function as a campus extension, allowing users to make calls from their workstation or mobile device using their campus extension. A misconception about soft phones. One of the most common misconceptions about soft phone extensions using IP phones and using MyCollab software is that you need both installed and working in order to make calls. These two options work independently. You can either log into a hoteling phone or IP phone with your soft phone extension and 5-digit PIN, or install MyCollab software on your computer, laptop, or mobile device, or both simultaneously. MyCollab software allows you to use your work extension for making and receiving calls while working remotely. You can be logged into a hotel phone and have MyCollab open on your computer and available to answer calls at the same time. All the devices will ring simultaneously when a call comes through. How to install MyCollab. The MyCollab software is available on the following devices: MyCollab for PC Client, MyCollab Mac Desktop Client, MyCollab Web Client, MyCollab for Mobile Client, Android, and iOS. To start, you'll need to install MyCollab on your device. If using a mobile device, go to your App Store or Play Store and search for MyCollab and install the app. If using a Cal Poly issued laptop or computer, you'll need to download MyCollab from the Software Center. This allows you to install the software without having admin privileges. You can find the Software Center by searching for it in your Windows search bar. Once in the Software Center, you can search for MyCollab in the search bar and click Install. During installation, MyCollab will ask for an authentication key. You will find this information has been emailed to you through Mitel from noreply@mitel.easydeploy.net. The authentication key will be towards the very end of the email from Mitel and look something like this. You will have 1 week from the day you receive the deployment email to install MyCollab on your device of choice before the authentication key expires. If you need a new key, you'll be required to contact Information Technology Services at extension 3815 to be issued another one. How to use MyCollab. Once installed, the home page is a convenient location for storing frequently used contacts. The Contacts page enables you to search the contact list to quickly find who you want to communicate with. It provides access to all groups, personal contacts, and university contacts. Using the search feature, you can find anyone listed in Cal Poly Humboldt's directory. Selecting that entry does not call them right away. Instead, it opens their contact information. You can add them to your shortcuts. After clicking on 3 dots in the upper right corner below your avatar, you can add contacts to your shortcuts. They will now show up on your home screen for easy dialing. Now you'll have some contact shortcuts you can see, and if they're online and available through MyCollab. If their MyCollab is on and active, there will be a green phone next to their avatar, and the words, "In the office," will appear under their name. Hovering over the contact will give you a handful of options. We do not have the ability to chat through MyCollab at this time. Making and receiving phone calls is the primary use. Click on the phone icon to initiate a call. Call history. This function provides a listing of all your dialed, received, and missed calls. To call any entry in the call history view, hover over or right-click the contact to select the phone icon. The MyCollab app will show you where there's a voicemail message. There will be a red dot next to the phone icon. In order to reach voicemail, you will need to select the phone icon. You'll notice a red dot on the voicemail tab if you have a message in your voicemail. Select that tab. Most people have voicemail to email activated. You will still need to log in or call into the voicemail system to clear out your messages to prevent your inbox from filling up. A login page will show up after selecting the voicemail tab. Your username is your extension, and your security code is the same code you use to gain access to your voicemail messages on your desk phone when you call in. When there is a new voicemail message, you can see the name and number of who left a message, the message duration, and the date and time the message was left. After selecting the voicemail message, you get this page where you can listen to the message. To delete the message and clear out your inbox, select the trash icon. You can modify the name of the message. There's also a save option for messages you want to retrieve later or forward to a different voicemail box. This is an example of voicemail when the mailbox is clear and there are no new or saved messages. If you also have a desk phone, the message indicator light will turn off when the inbox is clear. One added bonus to the MyCollab software is the ability to turn it off as needed. After clicking on the avatar in the upper right-hand corner, you will see a few options. If you want to turn off MyCollab at any time, you can toggle the soft phone switch from blue to gray. You can also select one of the availability options. The avatar will then no longer show a green phone, but instead a gray dot. It is recommended to use this feature instead of declining calls when they come in. Declining a call will not send the call to voicemail. The call will only go to voicemail if the soft phone is off or you do not answer. Transferring calls. While on an active MyCollab audio call, select Transfer From the More menu designated by the three dots. Choose a contact or enter a name or telephone number in the search box. Select the required contact and click Consultation Call, phone icon for a supervised transfer, or the blind transfer arrow icon for an unsupervised transfer. Call transfer complete message is displayed and the call is successfully transferred. Check MyCollab at the start of your workday. On rare occasions, we have seen MyCollab fail to answer the first call of the day. We suggest you open MyCollab at the beginning of your workday to ensure it is ready to make and answer calls. If you have any trouble installing MyCollab, you can contact the help desk at extension 4357. Most of the time, it is a computer admin privileges issue and less likely a MyCollab issue. The help desk can help diagnose the problem. If you have any questions or concerns, call Telecommunications and Network Services at extension 3815.